Hey there! The scale on its own is a noisy, discouraging number. This tracker puts it in context: trend lines, measurements, deficit, and milestones. So you can see real progress even on the days the scale doesn't move. Let me show you around. Goal and profile is the setup: your starting point, your goal weight, your start date, and your target date. Everything else measures against these. The weight log is the daily habit: date, weight, waist, and calories, and it works out pounds lost, percent to goal, your weekly change, a 7-day trend, and how far you have left. That 7-day trend is the important one. It smooths out the water weight noise that makes people quit. Measurements tracks what the scale misses: neck, chest, waist, hips, arms, and thigh, with total inches and change against your start. Plenty of weeks the scale holds still while these keep moving. The calorie and activity log handles the math: calories in, calories out, net calories, your daily deficit, and an estimated pounds figure based on that deficit. The dashboard is the summary: starting weight, goal weight, current BMI and category, and your average weekly loss, so you know whether your pace is realistic. And milestones and non-scale victories is the tab that keeps people going: first 5 pounds, first 10 pounds, plus a place to record the things that don't show up in numbers, like sleeping better or clothes fitting differently. And that's the weight loss tracker. Excel and Google Sheets, and the link is below.